video of what we did in first part of extractor fans, and today let's focus on what are the actual components making an extractor fan. So right here we have the flaps. As you can see, they are aerodome shaped. This is basically because of the wind principles and the air principle we want to observe, so that it can be able to blow out air. This is very important when you are doing the positioning for your extractor fans. This determines the direct flow of air and the direction. So as you come slowly, the other component is actually the belt. This is a V-belt. It links the drive shaft to the pulley system. Maybe you can show them the pulley system here. Let's focus here. So this is a pulley system. It's a complete system comprising of this round part and the bearings. And this is connected to the internal flaps. This is optional depending on the particular applications you have for your extractor fans. In our case, we want to trap light. That is why we have such a flap for just mechanical protection of whatever we are going to use inside. We talked about the drive. So this is basically a motor. Depending on the particular application and depending on the sizing of your extractor fan, that determines the size of a motor. Like in this case, this is a 1 horsepower motor or 0.76 kilowatts. Then we move on to and the safety of the users and the technicians. So we talked about something very important is when interacting with the extractor fans, this is something which is being driven by such a motor that's actually operating at 1500 revolutions per minute. That's risky and it needs protection. That is why we have a grill system like this, and you have such a hood depending on your application, but you can have it flat or whatever, but ensure you have a safety net for yourself. So as I said the other time, kindly, if you are not a professional, if you are not a trained technician, do not touch anything concerning the extractor fans. That has been it for this session. Until next time, stay safe.